When I started Simple Green Smoothies, it wasn't even a business idea. It was really just a solution for me and my family and friends too, that we were all struggling with exhaustion, and this was a natural way to get energy in your body that was super easy to do, and it worked. So when the kids were really little, I was living off of grilled cheese sandwiches. Lucky Charms was my favorite cereal, and I would eat that for dinner. And I would drink tons of coffee because I was so tired. I felt like my body was giving up on me. Like, I'm 30 years old and I feel like I'm 60. It also didn't help that at that time we were struggling. Like, we were financially in a really hard place that I had never experienced before. And we also didn't have health insurance. So it was kind of like this chaotic moment where we didn't have a lot of things. And so what we started doing was drinking a green smoothie every single day. And this was a way that I could at least focus on doing one thing right. And it got to a point where I would go halfway through the day and not be tired. And I started thinking like, okay, like there's time in this day for me to figure out what I want now and what I want to do. And that was run. I wanted to get outside by myself, no electronics, and just breathe and sweat and push my body. And that's what I started to do again. By doing that, I was getting stronger, I was getting more energy, but I started dreaming again and thinking about what did I want to do, who did I want to become. I realized that I wanted to fly an airplane. On my 32nd birthday, I went and took a discovery flight and flew an airplane. Now I felt like I could do anything, and it was because I was taking care of myself. All right, so life for us right now is pretty crazy. Waking up early, getting them ready for school. When the kids come home, it's like straight snack time, homework. So we have a very full life and we love it all, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. One thing Brian and I thought would be really cool was to turn our house into a little farm. So it was a dream of ours to wake up in the morning with our kids and have them be able to go outside and gather eggs from our chickens, and to have a duck that would swim in a little pond. We also have done raised garden beds so that we could grow our own kale and spinach and strawberries and tomatoes. And so that's kind of what we've embraced as a family, is eating more plants and feeling the best we can so that we can go after the things that we really care about. Once you drink a green smoothie, you don't want it to stop there. Like, you want to keep feeling that greatness, that energy, and just more of yourself than you ever felt before. And to do that, you have to go further. And so now we're taking our community further. Who you are today can be someone different tomorrow if you just keep having that hope and taking steps forward, no matter how small they are. I would love for you to join me on this journey and see where it takes your life. So head on over to our website, simplegreensmoothies.com, and get started today.